Okay guys, now you can see we have created the full page as similar to the demo site. But here we have a different header and a different footer. Now what we are going to do, we will create a header similar to our demo site like that. For this we will log into the dashboard. Now go to Divi and click on theme builder. Now here you have three options. You can add a global header, a global body or a global footer. First of all, I will create a global header, so I will click here. Here you have two different options. You can build global header or add from library if you have any template created, but I will build from scratch, so I will click on build global header. Now go to section settings and click on this gear button. Now first of all, I will change its background color to white. Now I will go to design, layout, I will make it show inner shadow. I will enable it. Now I will go to spacing and give it padding of 0 pixel to the top and bottom. Now click on this tick button. Now I will add our new row. So I will click on plus button and add a 2-column row. Now before adding any module, I will edit the row. So I will go to column structure and select this one. Now in design, I will add sizing. I will enable custom gutter width and make it 2. Now I will change width to 90%. Also I will change maximum width to 90%. Now go to spacing and give it 15 pixels of top and bottom padding. Now go to content and then go to second column and go to advanced custom CSS and select main element. I'll paste this code here. Now click on this tick button. Again click on this tick button. Now I will add a module. So I will click on this plus button and here I will add logo. So I will select an image module. Now I will select my logo from media library. Now I will select this image and then click on upload an image. Now the image will appear like that. Now to edit image, I will go to design. First of all, in alignment, I will make it center aligned. Now I will go to sizing and I will change its maximum height to 65 pixels. Now in sizing, make sure to enable this space below the image. Now click on this tick button. I am done with logo, so I will go to second column. I will click on this plus button and add a menu module. Here you have to select the main menu. Here you can add a custom logo, but I have already added a logo, so I will leave it. Here in elements you can show a shopping cart and a search icon, but I will not show any cart and search icon directly. I will go to design. Here in layout, make sure to style aligned left and drop down to downward. Now go to menu title. Here active menu color, I will make it blue. Menu font, I will change it to Roboto. Here I will change its size to 16 pixels, color to black and hover color to blue. Now I will go to spacing and give it 0 pixels of bottom margin. Now click on this tick button, hover over here and click on this plus button. Now I will add a blurb. Here first of all I will add call us text and here I will add my custom text. Now I will go to image and icon. I will use an icon. Here I will search for icon and select this icon. Now here you can change the background, but I will leave them. Just I will go to design, image and icon. Here I will change icon color to black. I will change its size to 36 pixels and its placement to the left side. Now scroll down, go to the title text. I will change its font to Roboto, make it underlined and I will change its size to 14 pixel. Now I will go to body text. I will change its font to Roboto and color to blue. Now I will go to spacing and give it 0 pixels margin to the bottom and 30 pixels to the left and right. Now go to advanced custom CSS, go to blur b title and paste code here. Now I have added this code here. You can find this code in the description below. Now click on the stick button. Now you can see the blur b looks perfect now. Now for the final step I will add a button. So I will select a button module. Here I will add contact us. Now I will go to design, leave the other setting, just go to button, and here I will choose a custom style for button. I will change text size to 16 pixels, text color to white. Here I will change the background color to the blue one. Now I will also change the border color to the blue. Now here you can change the font of this text. Here you can use any icon, but I will go with the default icon. Here you can the show icon on hover only or on default condition. I will use show only on hover. When you hover over it, the icon was appear like that. This is perfect. So I will go to spacing. Here I will add 7 pixels of top and bottom padding. Now I am done. So I will click on the stick button. Take a look to the demo site. Now you can see here I have used logo, menu. Here I have a blur b and a contact us button. Here I have a logo, menu, contact us and contact us button. So it's done. I will click on these 3 dots and save the header. Now the header was successfully updated. Now I will go back to theme builder. Here you can see you have successfully added global header. Now click on save changes. Now header was updated. Now visit your site. Now here you can see the header was successfully updated. So in the next video I will show you how to create the custom footer like this in your WordPress page using Divi. So keep following our upcoming videos to get to know how to create a full page website using Divi. Thanks for watching.